Jonna Massett is an epidemiologist at the University of California. She worked and trained with scientists at the Wuhan Institute of Virology, and she told Business Insider there are 4 reasons why she thinks the coronavirus outbreak was no lab accident. 1. Samples from the lab did not match the new coronavirus. After sequencing the virus, Massett says Wuhan scientists checked records from the last few years, cross-referencing the new genome with other coronavirus samples they had collected, but they did not find a match. Reason 2 has to do with what Massett describes as very stringent safety protocols. Massett worked with Wuhan researchers as part of PREDICT, a US pandemic warning program. She says scientists wear multiple layers of gloves, eye protection, full body suits and masks. All samples are frozen with liquid nitrogen as soon as they enter the lab, and researchers only interact with samples that are deactivated and non-infectious. Massett's 3rd reason looks at the number of viruses that have jumped from animals to humans in recent decades. She says the coronavirus is the 7th virus to have crossed over from another species. Ebola and SARS, for example, also originated in bats. H1N1 started in pigs. Massett says 3 out of every 4 emerging infectious diseases are these so-called zoonotic diseases. Last but not least, Massett says scientists like those in Wuhan would navigate caves in full PPE. She says it's more likely that everyday people like tourists and hunters entered these places less protected and were exposed. In fact, research has shown between 1 to 7 million people may be exposed to zoonotic viruses in Southeast Asia every year. Nicole Ng, CGTN.